Hello, welcome to another new session of Shulagna's Bioblog. Today I will discuss MCQ on urinary system. This is the first part of the MCQ on urinary system. Question number 1. Which part of the urinary system collects urine? Option A, kidney. Option B, urethra. Option C, urinary bladder. Option D, ureter. The right answer is option C, urinary bladder. Question number 2. In human body, the main excretory product is option A, uric acid, option B, urea, option C, ammonia, option D, none of these. The right answer is option B, urea. Question number 3. Which hormone stimulates the formation of RBC? Option A, renin, option B, aldosterone, option C, angiotensin, option D, erythropoietin. The right answer is option D, erythropoietin. Question number 4. Erythropoietin is secreted from option A, kidney, option B, thymus, option C, thalamus, option D, pituitary. The right answer is option A, kidney. Question number 5. Long-term control of blood pressure is done by option A, aldosterone, option B, renin, option C, oxytocin, option D, LDH. The right answer is option B, renin. Question number 6. The innermost layer of kidney is option A, medulla, option B, pyramid, option C, cortex, option D, papilla. The right answer is option A, medulla. Medulla is the innermost layer and the outer layer is cortex. Question number 7. Urine formed within the kidney passes through a option A, pyramid, option B, papilla, option C, cortex, option D, medulla. The right answer is option B, papilla. Question number 8. Filtration is occurred in option A, glomerulus, option B, collecting duct, option C, Bowman's capsule, option D, papilla. The right answer is option A, glomerulus. Question number 9. Which of the following processes are involved in urine formation? Option A, filtration, option B, selective reabsorption, option C, secretion, option D, all of these. The right answer is option D, all of these. Question number 10. In a healthy adult, the GFR is option A, 125 ml per minute, option B, 50 ml per minute, option C, 250 ml per minute, option D, 200 ml per minute. The right answer is option A, 125 ml per minute. Question number 11. GFR is option A, volume of filtrate produced per minute, option B, volume of filtrate produced per second, option C, volume of filtrate produced per hour, option D, weight of filtrate produced per minute. The right answer is option A, volume of filtrate produced per minute. Question number 12. Renal blood flow is protected by the mechanism option A, autoregulation, option B, reabsorption, option C, peristalsis, option D, all of the above. The right answer is option A, autoregulation. Question number 13. Autoregulation can be stimulated by which of the following metabolites? Option A, peptone, option B, prostaglandin, option C, both of these, option D, none of these. The right answer is option D, prostaglandin. Option B, prostaglandin. Question number 14. Most reabsorption takes place in option A, distal convoluted tubule, option B, loop of Henle, option C, proximal convoluted tubule, option D, all of these. The right answer is option C, proximal convoluted tubule. Question number 15. Absorption in proximal convoluted tubule is increased by option A, nephron, option B, microvilli, option C, papilla, option D, none of these. The right answer is option B, microvilli. Question number 16. Water is reabsorbed mostly by option A, glomerulus, option B, Bowman's capsule, option C, collecting duct, option D, medulla. The right answer is option C, collecting duct. Question number 17. The normal pH of urine is option A, 2, option B 6, option C 8, option D 10. The right answer is option B 6. Question number 18. The amber color of urine is due to option A bilirubin, option B biliverdin, option C stercobilin, option D urobilin. The right answer is option D urobilin. Question number 19. Urobilinogen is produced by option A liver, option B kidney, option C pituitary, option D none of these. The right answer is option B kidney. Question number 20. Normal blood pH is maintained by option A tubular secretion, option B selective reabsorption, option C both of these, option D none of these. The right answer is option A tubular secretion. Question number 21. Reabsorption of calcium and phosphate is regulated by option A calcitonin, option B parathyroid hormone, option C both of these, option D none of these. The right answer is option C both of these. Question number 22. Which is true about ANP? Option A secreted from heart, option B decreases reabsorption of sodium, option C decreases reabsorption of water, option D all of these. The right answer is option D all of these.